Welcome to the Discount Club, an exclusive platform dedicated to helping members save money by providing curated discounts and promotional offers. Think of it as your digital bargain hunter, scouring the internet to bring you the best deals out there. Why join us? If you like to shop smarter and save money, fast track your savings with our Discount Club. Who knows, maybe that long-awaited vacation or new gadget is now just a few savings away. Setting up a Discount Club account is straightforward. Start by visiting the website or downloading the app. Click on Sign Up, fill in your personal information, and set your password. Do confirm your email as it activates your membership. Remember to customize your profile for personalized discounts. Congratulations. You are now part of the money-saving journey with Discount Club. Let's dive into the Discount Club platform. The Daily Deals tab features the latest offers. To find specific discounts, use the tailored search. For personalized suggestions, tweak your preferences in your profile. Cart allows you to store deals, and Wishlist to save for later. Track savings in My Discounts. You can also contact support through Help. Enjoy your savvy shopping. Maximize your savings with Discount Club by utilizing these strategies. First, regularly check daily deals. Second, customize your preferences for tailored offers. Third, use Wishlist to plan purchases in advance. Fourth, combine deals with seasonal sales for maximum discounts. Lastly, invite friends to join and claim referral bonuses. With consistency, you'll be amazed at how much you can save. In the journey of savvy shopping, you might encounter some queries or issues. Here we address common concerns. From account setup issues to navigating the platform, remember our Help Center is there. For direct solutions, visit our FAQs section. If you still can't find answers, don't hesitate to use Contact Us. Our priority is to make your shopping experience as smooth as possible.